Now the variation in the program is that we need to print all the common characters that are present in n string values or n minus 1 string values, which means it can be present in all the n string values or it can be absent in any one of the string values. It cannot be absent in 2 strings or 3 strings like that. It can be absent only in one string value. So at that point of time, we have to check if the ASCII count of CH is equal to index or index minus 1. But there is a catch. We need to ensure that a particular character in a string is scattered only once. If it is duplicated in the string, we must not increment it twice. So for that, what we can do is, similar to the global ASCII count that is common across the n strings, we should have a string specific character count. So let us call that array as current count. That will also be of size 128 and we will initialize the values to 0. So now when we are checking that, we have to check current count is equal to 0, which means it is appearing for the first time. And ASCII count of CH is equal to index. So we have to give a OR condition. So we will have it within a parenthesis and we will have it in the next line. Or ASCII count of CH equal to index minus 1. So this means it can be just absent in one string, but it should be appearing for the first time in the current string. If that is the case, you are increasing the global count as well as you have to increase the current count, because when it comes for the second time, this condition should be false, which means you have to make the 0 to increment. So current count of CH plus plus. So now if a character appears for the second time in this string, this will be false and it won't enter the loop. Only if it is true and it is appearing for the first time and the total global count is equal to index or index minus 1, it will increase the count. So now in the output section, we have to say ASCII count equal to n or ASCII count of ASCII equal to n minus 1. N minus 1. If any of these two conditions is true, then it will print the ASCII value. Let us execute the program. It is giving compilation error because I have not closed the parenthesis. Now let me run it. So the output is EGNR because E is here, E is here, E is here, E is here, E is here. In all the strings it is there. G is in the first 4 strings but it is not in the 5th string. N is in all the string value and R is not in the first string but it is present in all the other strings. So the program works fine.